guys, we're back with another video. As you can see, we are outside. We have a huge project that we're working on. This is going to take maybe a couple weekends. We'll see how fast.
I'm trying to do it today only, man. I ain't got no time.
Well, that's the thing. We're trying to get this done, guys, but I'm gonna show you a few pictures of stuff that we, you know, the way home. What?
Summer's almost done. It's already June.
Okay guys, yeah, we have a super big project. We're gonna get right into it. You know, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're taking you guys along with this project with us, and just let you know that we're not just about, we don't just play the games, we don't just do the pranks, we don't just do the vlogs, but you know what,
we do everything.
We's a little handy too, you feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and transform this thing that you can see behind me now. I know when you look at it, you're like, okay, not looking too shabby. We did some work
after we're done with it,
off camera, which is like some digging and stuff like that. But as you can see, I'll just walk you right through. We got a couple plants that we're gonna put down. This grass, the stones. I'm not feeling the grass, guys, because honestly, the landscape people come and they just ruin the grass. So we're skipping grass this time. We have to clean out these stones. We're literally going to be picking them up individually, wash them off, clean out a whole spot. All those green spots are gonna be gone. We're gonna remulch this area and kind of secure the weed barrier here. Mulch is also supposed to be over here, guys, but you know the plants are already growing up and things, but it's all good. We're gonna scrape out all this grass and plant the plants right there. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning up this whole thing. As you can see, we already have started heaping up some of these beds here and things like that. Anyways, you're gonna see how we transform the whole thing. Come on this journey with us. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, guys, because there's nothing to not like about this video. You feel me? We're gonna get down and dirty for you. You know it's Gabs and Keys. We're gonna set the camera up so you guys can just see how we work and you know how we roll. So guys, we just had to take a quick brief break.
Kickball, mommy.
So yeah, that kickball. So we have a couple things, guys. We finished clearing out the grass in this area. We're gonna go ahead and try and level it out and see if we can start putting down the JJ. We can start putting down the weed barrier to block out some of this weed. And
how are we taking up those red moss and fixing those weeds? How are we taking out all of those stuff there? When we gonna put the sand?
Yeah, we're gonna figure it all out, guys. But yeah, we're gonna keep you guys posted along the way.
I've been out here hot as hell, man. We got half of the work done. We got another half to do. It's gonna take us another work. We did pretty much all the cleaning up and all that stuff.
Yeah.
We're just gonna fill back in the stuff, and you guys gonna see what's popping after.
Yeah, guys.
Tired.
We got the siding going, so now it's going all the way down. It's pretty decent. Keys did a really good job here, freehanding this thing. As you can see, this is on an angle, so he chipped the wood. Well, the stone.
I chipped the wood.
It's not perfect, but it shall do.
Mark.
No, you chip the wood, you never say you eat it. Yeah, guys, so it's coming along nicely. We're gonna have to call this a day today because, you know, we have the kids to tend to.
So now, show them what we're gonna plant, babe. We're gonna plant right here.
Yeah, we have these to do and stuff. I have to go and see what's going on. Hold on.
3 days later.
Alright, guys. So we put some mulch on that side. We lay down the weed barrier here. Now we're gonna go ahead and put down the slabs. Whew, it's a lot of work. You can see, man's hot. I should take off my jacket because man's hot.
Man's not hot.
But yeah, guys, we're gonna put down this stuff and then we're gonna come back and show y'all. Okay? All right.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, always stay right now. Talk to me, always stay. Always stay. We're looking clean there. Guys, talk to me. Always stay. That's what's up. Cheese. Yeah. We stay good. Always stay, babe.
Looks blessed still.
Right? We are looking good, guys. We are loving this right now. This is nice. Talk to me. Comment down below, guys. What do you think so far? We're gonna try, like I said, we're transforming this, guys. We are doing the transformation.
2,000 years later.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a few weeks going. We had to take a break on this garden thing. Yes, there you are. JJ, where he's wearing. He fell. So anyways, guys, this is the finished product. We're gonna show it to you. Are you guys ready? No matter fast forward past this part here. Make sure you watch your whole video. You understand me? Watch your whole thing, man, and enjoy the process. This is how the thing stay. Alright. So, without further ado, y'all gonna see what we've been through in 5.
How about the night lights too? The lights actually went on, and you're gonna see everything.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Oh, we'll show them.
Maybe we'll insert a picture.
Yeah, we'll show them the picture at night.
Our video, yeah.
You drop that.
This night. Anyways, guys, yes. Here's the finished product, guys. You know what it is. gabznkeyz in the building. Let us know when you're ready to get your landscape started.
Alright, we do it all, yo. We do it all.
We throw
It's all about
down.
the hustle.
So, let's go.